Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how I made a skirt from a t-shirt. It's kind of a beach skirt. It's a little too short to be a regular skirt. If you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you something cool that you can do with sandpaper and crayons. Now let's get cutting our pieces. So first we cut the very bottom of the skirt off. We cut the very bottom of the shirt off to be the waistband of our skirt. And then I just cut a bunch of pieces that were all 10 inches by whatever other length. Didn't really matter. I just sewed them all together. And then I ironed up the hem and I stitched it down twice. After this, I did my straight long stitch along the top of the skirt, and I'm going to use that stitch to make my gathers. Pull one of the threads to make the gathers the same width as your waistband. Then pin it together. The more pins you put in it, the easier it will be to sew. After I sewed the gathers to the waistband, I attached the elastic in the inside of the waistband, but it didn't film it. So to show you, I made this cute little skirt for my niece, and you'll need another piece of material for the inside of the waistband that is the same size. So you put those right sides together, and then you could sew it, or me, I just pinned it. Make sure that your elastic is sewn into a circle, and then pin it to the outside of this. So just a quick recap before we get going on the sewing. We have the skirt, the inside of the waistband, right sides together, and then we have our elastic on top of that. And we're going to sew a 1/4 inch from the top. It should look like this now. Fold it up, and then we fold it in, and then we sew it again right along here. We cut off the excess material now. Fold it our final time inside, and make sure that when you fold it inside it encloses this raw edge. And then we stitch the last stitch, well, the last row of straight stitches. Here's inside and here's outside. So cute. Now that the skirts are done, I want to show you this trick with sandpaper and crayons. So what I have here is 60 sandpaper. These are Crayola. I'm just going to draw on sandpaper. And just hold it for like about 10 seconds, I would say. And there we go, now I know where the back is. Well, we did it, we made a couple skirts, and if you've made it this far, you should definitely subscribe. And in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these super faded shorts into, not faded shorts, but brand new again. So thanks for watching. See you next time.